Good morning, students. Let's continue our exercise 10.2 of chapter number 10, and name of the chapter is Practical Geometry. In this question, you have to construct a triangle ABC in which base BC is given to you 4.5 centimeter and the base angles angle B and angle C each is of measure 50 degree. Now you have to construct a triangle ABC. Firstly, you have to draw a line segment BC of 4.5 centimeter with the help of ruler. Now 0 to 4.5 it is BC. It is BC 4.5 centimeter and you have to draw 50-degree angle on each of his base at B and angle C. Now at B you have to draw 50-degree angle. So you have to overlap the midpoint of protector and the baseline BC. It is 90 degree. You have to read out the lower graduated scale. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50. It is 50-degree angle. Now it is 50-degree angle at B. Now you have to draw at angle C 50-degree angle. You have to put protector at point C. Now it is 90. You have to read out the upper graduated scale 90, 80, 70, 60 and 50. It is 50-degree. You have to draw 50-degree angle with the help of protector at point B and at point C. Now where these two rays meet, it is point of intersection and we name this as A. Now it is the construction of triangle ABC. You have to write down the steps of construction. First step is draw line segment BC of 4.5 centimeter. At B, with the help of protector, draw an angle B, 50-degree angle. Now at point C, you have to draw 50-degree angle with the help of protector. Now, where CX ray and VY ray meet, it is the point of intersection and name it as A. Now, it is the required triangle ABC. In this way, you have to construct triangles. Let's move to next question. In next question, you have to construct a triangle DEF. You have to construct a triangle DEF in which EF is given to you 7.2 centimeter and angle E is given to you 110 degree. Angle F is given to you 80 degree. Can you construct the triangles? If yes, then you have to construct it. Now from the question, we can observe that here angle E is 110 degree, angle F is 80 degree. Now we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here sum of two angles, but in question sum of two angle is given to you 110 degree plus 80 degree. It is 190 degree. 190 degree is greater than 180 degree. So we cannot construct triangles. It is not possible to construct a triangle as sum of two angles is greater than 180 degree. Let's move to next question. In this question, you have to construct a right angled triangle PQR. You have to construct a right angled triangle PQR. Now we know that in right angle triangle one angle is 90 degree, in which angle R is given to you 90 degree, PQ is given to you 6 centimeter and PR is given to you 4.5 centimeter. Now, firstly you have to draw a line segment PR of 4.5 centimeter. Now you have to draw a line segment of 4.5 centimeter PR. Now at point R, it is given to you, you have to draw 90-degree angle. With the help of compass, you can draw 90-degree angle. Open some convenient radius, draw and semicircle. Where it cuts, you have to draw an arc. Now you have to put here pinpoint needle of the compass. Again draw an arc. You have to extend this arc and you have to put here needle and draw another arc. Where these two arcs meet, you have to join in this way. It is 90-degree angle at point R. Now PQ is also given to you 6 centimeter. You have to open compass with the help of ruler 6 centimeter. 0 to 6. You have to put needle of the compass here P and you have to draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Where it cuts the ray RX, it is point Q. Now you have to join PQ. In this way, you can construct triangle PQR. It is right angle triangle. Now you have to write down the steps of construction. Firstly, you have to draw a line segment PR is equals to 4.5 centimeter. At point R, with the help of compass, draw an angle 90 degree. Taking P as center, draw an arc with radius 6 centimeter, which intersects the ray RX at point Q. Now join PQ. It is the required triangle PQR. In this way, you have to construct triangles and write down the steps of construction. Let's move to next question. In this question, certain sides and angles of triangles are given to you. You have to identify those which cannot be constructed and why you cannot construct them. If you can construct the triangles, then you have to construct it. In first case, you have to construct a triangle ABC and measurements are given to you. M angle A is given to you 85 degree. M angle B is given to you 115 degree and side AB is given to you 5 centimeter. Now you have to check can we construct the triangles or not. In this case, here we can observe that sum of two angles, angle A and angle B is 85 degree plus 115 degree. It is 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 200 degree, which is greater than 180 degree. Now, here sum of two angle is greater than 180 degree. So, we cannot construct triangle with the given condition as it does not satisfy the angle sum property. You have to write down the reason why we cannot construct triangles. This type of triangle does not satisfy angle sum property. That's why we cannot construct the triangles. Let's move to next part. In next part, you have to construct a triangle PQR in which M angle Q is given to you 30 degree. M angle R is given to you 60 degree and QR is given to you 4.7 centimeter. Now can you construct the triangles? Here one side and two angles are given to you. Here two angles and the included side is given to you, and sum of two angles 30 degree plus 60 degree, which is 90 degree. Here 90 degree is less than 180 degree. So we can construct the triangle with the given condition as two angles and included side is given to you. So we can construct the triangle. So you have to construct the triangles. Firstly, you have to draw a line segment QR of 4.7 centimeter. Firstly, draw a line segment QR of 4.7 centimeter. Firstly, draw line segment QR of 4.7 centimeter. Now it is given to you at point Q. You have to construct an angle 30 degree. With the help of compass, you have to draw an angle of 30 degree. Now, firstly you have to draw an arc, semicircle, where it cuts the QR line segment. Draw an arc. It is 60 degree. When you draw first arc, it is 60 degree. Now we know that half of 60 degree is 30 degree. So you have to draw an arc with the half of. Suppose it cuts at point X. Suppose it is point M. So you have to put needle at point X, draw an arc. You have to put needle at point M, draw another arc. Where it cuts, you have to join with Q. Now it is the half of 60 degree, that is 30 degree angle. Now at point R, you have to construct angle 60 degree. Now draw a semicircle with the help of compass where it cuts the line segment QR. Suppose it cuts at Y. You have to put needle at point Y and draw an arc. This arc is of 60 degree measure. Now join this arc with the intersection. Suppose it cuts the semicircle at point B. Now you have to join R and B and extend this ray. Suppose it is R N, where these two rays Q S and R N meets. It is the point of intersection. We name it as P. Now it is the required triangle PQR. Firstly, you have to draw a line segment QR 4.7 centimeter with the help of compass. You have to draw angle 30 degree at point Q, and with the help of compass, you have to draw angle 60 degree at point R. Where these two angles meet, we name the point of intersection as P. Now it is the required triangle PQR. In this way, you have to check out whether we construct the triangles with the given conditions or not. If we cannot construct the triangles, then you have to mention the reason. Otherwise, you can construct the triangles. Thank you.